Imagine your ideal customer.
Most likely, he often visits your store, does not buy everything in a row, but only goods with a high margin. Constantly interested in new products. You know his family and friends because they also buy from you.
Is it possible to grow such a buyer? Yes, but unfortunately it usually means long and hard work. Therefore, right now we will show you some working life hacks for hacking user loyalty using a minimum amount of resources, which will help you to influence business metrics as efficiently as possible. Well, let's start. Let's say you created your store based on WooCommerce, send advertising traffic to the store, but customers just leave, or once they place an order, they don't come back again. It is logical, because in the eyes of the buyer you are one of the millions of sites that sell something there. Let's fix this in a few steps. To do this, we need a powerful plugin for organizing an automatic upsales reward points loyalty program. Initially, this plugin allows you to reward users for purchases and actions with bonus points, which they can only spend in your store in the future. But besides this, the plugin has many additional unique options that we just need. Go to the WordPress admin-plugins-find upsales reward points. Click Install and Activate. When the plugin is installed, let's move on to specific recommendations for hacking user loyalty. Hacking the retention rate metric, customer return. Well, everything is simple here. We go to the Set Points section in the plugin menu. Here we see all our products and can set a small reward for the purchase of certain products. Or we create groups of products from conditions such as category, attributes, brand, price, and if the product falls under all conditions, then the user will receive the specified reward for buying it. Okay, we've set up a reward per purchase, but let's add some more motivation to keep users coming back to your store. Let's go to the settings and specify the expiration date for points for purchases, for example 90 days. In this way, users will be motivated to return to your store to spend bonus points before they expire. Hacking the lifetime value metric. To do this, we need to keep customers not just with bonus points for purchases, but also give them a sense of speciality and importance. Therefore, we will use a modern analog of membership cards, namely a multi-level loyalty program, where for fulfilling the conditions, for example, the number of days from the date of registration, the amount of purchases, the role, etc., we will be able to give the client permanent privileges in our store. To do this, go to the Settings-User Levels section and create an unlimited number of loyalty program levels. We set a reward in the form of a permanent bonus points for purchases or a permanent discount. Now we select a condition or several to reach the level, for example, to be registered on the site for 1 year and have a purchase amount of more than $1,000. All these levels and the conditions for achieving them, as well as their current level, users will see in their personal account area. Thus, users will be motivated to perform the actions you need and receive pleasant rewards, thereby choosing your store among competitors in the future. Hacking the APRU metric. We increase the average check per user. For example, one of the ways to increase the average check is to increase the motivation to buy more directly in the basket. To do this, we will set an additional bonus for the size of the basket. Go to Settings-Cart. Here we can set an unlimited number of basket size ranges to receive the bonus. Enter range and reward. Ready. Now users have an additional motivation to increase the cost of the basket. Hacking the CR metric. We increase the conversion rate. The fundamental rule of business is to turn new users into customers. To do this, let's go to the magic section of Auto Actions and create an automatic marketing campaign. For example, let's give a welcome sign-up bonus to all customers. A small but nice bonus, that's it. And we will immediately notify the user about the received bonuses with the help of a pop-up, which we can beautifully arrange. Now the user will immediately receive almost money that he can spend only in this store. In fact, the plugin allows you to automatically issue a bonus for anything, as well as combine several triggers and conditions with each other. Thus, you can set up several campaigns once, and then the plugin will automatically calculate the reward and notify the user. Hacking the engagement rate metric is a very important metric for your brand, the effectiveness of which directly affects not only profit but also the longevity of your product. We offer to influence the metric with the help of a promotional campaign in honor of promotions or holidays. To do this, go to User Balance, select All Users or filter by any of the many conditions and click on Earn Points. Let's make a Black Friday promotion and assign a deferred points accrual to November 11th for all users. And we will notify them via email about it. If you are a business owner, then most likely your main goal is to form in customers the idea of buyer store as a friend who can be trusted to choose a product that they want to come back to again and again, and which they do not want to exchange for other. As you can see, WUP Sales Reward Points does a great job of this even in the free version. But if you want to get the pro version, then we have a WooCommerce coupon for a 30% discount. Well, we hope that this video was useful for you. Good luck!